Jet 0 Juliet Romeo.
Time 2053 Zulu, wind 210 at 6.
Aircraft data is Echo, now current Bradley, altimeter 29901.
4,200, broken ceiling 6,000, temperature 31, 2.22, altimeter 29990. Landing and departing runway 20, visual approaching use. Bring it no down. Main equipment south with the airfield. Caution, bird and wildlife activity in the
Zero Juliet Romeo, contact center 132.65. Have a good flight.
On initial contact, advise your information whiskey.
0 Juliet Romeo.
This is Brady Tower 80 information whiskey. Time 2053 Zulu, wind 210 at 6. Visibility is 10, scatter clouds at 4,200, broken ceiling 6,000, temperature 31, 2.22, altimeter 29990. Landing and departing runway 20.
We got 10-mile visibility, runway 20 is in use at Hartford. So we need...
I think it's a little better down here.
Whiskey, information whiskey.
Yeah. I couldn't see back up there, I couldn't see anything on.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, Bradley, Baron 7258 Bravo.
Bradley 555 Bravo, Papa 6500. November 555 Bravo, Papa, Bradley approach, altimeter 29901.
991.
And who else is calling, Bradley?
Baron 7258 Bravo, just departed Westfield en route to New Haven, and we're going to take a little detour to the Beers intersection, then go direct New Haven if that's possible, and would like some flight following.
Sounds good. Baron 58 Bravo, squawk 5251.
5251 coming at you.
Departure Delta 1204, 1.7, climbing 4,000, runway heading.
Delta 1204, Bravo departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 10,000, 10,000. Turn right heading of 330 for your climb.
10,000 and right heading 330, Delta 1204.
Bradley, approach Skyhawk 129 Whiskey Sierra at 7,000 direct, Hartford.
Delta 1204, when able, proceed direct to Chester.
Direct Chester, Delta 1204, roger.
Baron 7258 Bravo, Bradley, you are radar contact 6 southwest of the Westfield Airport, altimeter 29901, verify your altitude.
Climbing through 2.6 up to 3.5.
Roger.
And if it's better for you, I'll take whatever altitude you'd like.
Bradley, approach Skyhawk 129 Whiskey Sierra. We are at 7,000 direct, Hartford.
129 Whiskey Sierra, Bradley approach, altimeter 29901. Information whiskey is current. New one should be out shortly. I'll read it to you, but let me know if you have whiskey. And did you want a visual approach or a practice instrument approach?
LDA 02, please.
Expect it.
We also have whiskey.
Thank you. And did you want the full approach or vectors?
As long time I don't fly the LDA.
Vectors to final, please. 129 Whiskey Sierra.
49 Whiskey Sierra. For now,
It's so comfortable flying the RNAV.
170, 129 Whiskey Sierra.
It's so comfortable flying the RNAV in Hartford.
132.65.
I didn't even bother fly the LDA.
3265, Delta 1204, thanks, good day.
Anybody else calling, Bradley?
$36 miles out.
And Bradley, 555 Bravo, Papa has
17 minutes
Bravo at Oxford and 6500, descending 4500.
4,500
Bravo, Papa, roger.
20 miles in the next 10 miles we can start. Then we're not that high today. Yo, Wayne Martin pocket is fat, man. Been fat all season, man. It's just a 400 and a 301, and that's it. Next
Last
year.
year, 6 Papa Charlie, contact approach 123.905. Check 4420, Bradley approach, roger.
We have the 58 Bravo is going to go up to 4.5. That's okay.
November 7258 Bravo, absolutely, altitude your discretion.
Thank you, sir.
Attitude at your discretion, man.
November 757 Bravo Golf, contact Bradley approach 123.905. Good night.
2395 Bradley approach 757 Bravo Golf. Thank you. Have a good night.
Yeah.
964 is out of 13.3 for Madison 11 with information echo.
Oh boy, yes.
964 Bradley approach, Bradley Timber 29901, expect ILS runway 24 approach.
Expect ILS 24 Delta 964.
56 Papa Charlie, level 6,500.
356 Papa Charlie, Bradley approach, Bradley Timber 29901, advise when you're going to begin your VFR descent.
29901, will advise 6 Papa Charlie.
And Bradley approach 757 Bravo Golf, checking in at 45 Hartford.
Number 757 Bravo Golf, Bradley approach, roger. Delta 964 fighting 020, vector final approach course, descend and maintain 10,000, 10,000.
Heading 020 down to 10,000, Delta 964.
X-ray.
Okay, now, X-ray.
This is Brain Tire, 80 information X-ray. Time 2153 Zulu. Wind 180 at 9. Visibility is 10. Fuel clause at 5,000. Temperature 30, 2.21. Altimeter 2990. Landing and departing runway
08, contact approach 119.0.
No tail.
119.0, Captain
Airfield. Caution, bird and wildlife activity in the vicinity of the airport. Hazards to weather information available on flight service frequencies. On initial contact, advise you of information X-ray.
Information X-ray 180. Wind at 9 knots.
Information X-ray.
Number 6 Papa Delta.
Runway 2 is the runway of choice, runway 20. Now they're going to give us a straight-in approach.
You could ask for it.
Very good,
Number 21369 Bradley approach.
Are they going to give us base? I think they're going to want us keep us a little
Bradley
high.
approach southwest 1425.
Until they reach about here,
for
because
1000, we've got echo.
we got traffic coming in. Runway 24 to Bradley.
Number 2991, expect ILS runway 24 approach.
Hey, they said
We'll
for
expect it
3,000.
southwest 1425.
Hold us at 3,000.
1425, fly heading 020, vector final approach course, descend and maintain 10,000, 10,000.
020 down to 10,000, southwest 1425.
Aiden. Can I get my soda?
Yeah, which one?
Pepsi. When I had open at the race. I don't have any out.
I gotta put some glue on this, man. Over speed 112. 14.
Delta 964, descend and maintain 5,000.
Descend and maintain 5,000, Delta 964. Bradley approach. American 2228 is at a 13.5, descending across Madison at 11, 11,000, information echo.
American 2228, Bradley approach, Bradley altimeter 299.1, expect ILS runway 24 approach.
991, ILS to 24, American 2228.
I notice at the airport they always give you the ILS. When RNAV is there, they always set you up for the ILS.
And a request.
Got a request the RNAV. ILS are ground base. They always they solely depend on the ILS. But is it the GPS with the LPV approach? Or sometimes more accurate than ILS.
6,500.
21369, Bradley approach, roger. Number 757 Bravo Golf, you can begin your VFR descent. I have multiple IFR aircraft landing Bradley on the downwind.
Okay, 7 Bravo Golf is going to start a descent for Hartford. Southwest 1425, descend and maintain 7,000.
Down to 7,000, Southwest 1425.
American 2228, Bradley approach, American 2228, fighting 020, vectors trying approach course, descend and maintain 10,000, 10,000.
020 vectors, final approach course, descend to 10, 10,000, American 2228.
I can see clearly now I'm at a lower altitude. Another song. I can see all obstacles in my way.
Delta 964, turn right heading 055.
Heading 055, Delta 964.
Please get my waters under Gavin's stair.
Know what you're doing.
My water.
Bradley approach, good afternoon, Sierra 85, 7,000, direct source.
Sierra 85, Bradley approach, Bradley altimeter 29901.
29901.
Southwest 1425, descend and maintain 5,000.
Down to 5,000, Southwest 1425.
2,800. Level off at 2,000 now.
Good morning, approach, Baron 7258 Bravo, with you 4.5.
Number 7258 Bravo, Bradley approach, Bradley number 29901.
29901, thank you, sir.
Bradley approach, hello again, 3836 kilo.
Okay.
For 3836 kilo, Bradley approach, go ahead.
3836 was just out of Meriden, 1,900 climbing. We would like to go to Skylark. We are PA 28, 3,500.
Number 36 kilo, squawk 5243 in ident.
5243, 36 kilo.
Delta 964, fighting 050, descend and maintain 2,500.
Heading 050 down to 2,500, Delta 964.
Bradley over there.
American 2228, descend and maintain 5,000.
American 2228, descend and maintain 5,000.
Number 3836 kilo, radar contact 2 miles northeast of Meriden Airport. Bradley, it's number 29901. Just verify your altitude again.
90136 kilo, we are 2,400 climbing, 3,500.
Roger.
Go ahead in.
I would hold
1800.
Yeah.
Southwest 1425, turn right heading 055.
Right, 055, Southwest 1425.
Number 757 Bravo Golf, advise me I have Brainerd in sight.
I will advise 7 Bravo Golf.
Number 356 Papa Charlie, traffic 9 o'clock, 5 miles westbound, Cirrus, level at 6,000.
6 Papa Charlie, searching for traffic.
Number 706 Papa Delta, traffic 2 o'clock, 5 miles southwestbound, 6,500, and Lima November Charlie 2.
Looking 6 Papa Delta.
Let's see Hartford, but not Brainerd.
Delta 964, turn left heading 330.
Left 330, Delta 964.
Southwest 1425, descend and maintain 2,500.
The 2,500, Southwest 1425.
Number 6 Papa Delta,
Yeah,
turn right
right
heading 270, get you behind the traffic.
270, 6 Papa Delta.
Right there, so if we stay here, let me let
Bradley, Sikorsky 976 Tango Romeo is with you, climbing to 2,500.
976 Tango Romeo, bad departure, ident, Brad number 29901.
2991 with a flash.
Hey, brother, approach 757 Bravo Golf. We have Hartford in sight.
Number 757 Bravo Golf, contact Brainerd Tower 119.6.
Tower 7 Bravo Golf.
Delta 964, 6 miles from motel, turn left heading.
Hey, Brainerd Tower 757 Bravo Golf. Inbound for landing.
Information X-ray.
Do it, information X-ray.
November 8007 Whiskey, turn right at the Whiskey Taxiway, then
6 miles from
contact
the
ground 121.6.
from the northeast.
Yeah.
Right at Whiskey Taxiway and contact ground 121.6 here for Whiskey.
November 26 Echo Delta, winds 2005, runway 20 cleared for takeoff.
20, cleared for takeoff, 26 Echo Delta.
Number 757 Bravo Golf, Brainerd Tower, wind 190 at 5, Brainerd altimeter 2990, make straight in approach, runway 20, reported 2 mile final.
Straight in 20, 2 mile final, 7 Bravo Golf, Motown.
Soul Town.
You know who that is. So you could, yeah, you kill it. Get rid of your prop.
Prop and mixture rich.
Yeah, keep your power around 50. The man on me. 50.
Get down.
Yep, and you're gonna trim. Yeah, keep 15. That's good. 15 should hold you pretty good. First, notch your flaps.
Flaps 10.
No, these two are the same.
Huh?
Two bigger.
Oh.
Our curves there, curve here.
Yeah.
If you fly this and re-intercept the white over red
Red
over
over
white.
white. They're not real low now, but good. Re-intercept it, boom.
Your gears, check your gears 3 times.
Gears are down. Down and lock.
There you go. So just bring your power back to 13, pitch up a little bit. Just speed it and then drop 10 more.
We're in glide slope.
There you go. There you go. So keep this power set in.
Gears down.
Yep.
Mixture rich. Props in. We're on glide slope.
Yep.
We're clear to land, right?
Yep. I'll just double check.
And 7 Bravo Golf, reported 2 miles. Number 757 Bravo Golf, Brenda Tower, wind 1807, runway 20, cleared for the option.
Cleared for the option, land 7 Bravo Golf.
Power in there. There's a little power in there.
High.
You're good. You got plenty. Just work the power. Just keep her coming in, and as you get closer now, just 100, 200 reduce on the power. You can reduce. Look at this river, man. Look at the river, Cade.
80 knots.
Look at that. You got plenty. So pull another 100. You could cut your power. Go to idle. Just hold that. Pitch up and hold it, and she'll just touch down. Look all the way top of them trees in front. Hold it, hold it. No, just hold it, hold it. There you go. Hold it. See that? Right rudder, right rudder. That's how you do it, my man. Yeah, just look at them trees. You saw the nose do that, right?
Yeah.
It's the right rudder. You come in with the right rudder. And
Number 757 Bravo Golf, turn right at taxiway Whiskey, then contact ground 121.6.
Right at Whiskey, ground point 6, 7 Bravo Golf. Brandon ground, 757 Bravo Golf at Whiskey. You'd like to taxi over to the hangar area, drop off passengers.
Cessna 757 Bravo Golf, Brandon ground. Understand you want to go to Hartford Jet Center?
Negative. I'd like to go. Last time we were on Charlie for the hangars, and I'll just drop off my passenger there.
Cessna 7 Bravo Golf, right? Taxi to T hangars via Alpha Charlie.
Alpha Charlie to the T hangars.
yeah, see, anytime you're coming for landing and you get that pitch attitude,
Yeah, just hold it.
just hold it. Just hold that pitch attitude. You'll just nail it. Yeah, people do this. You know, they do this.
I tend to pull back on it more to flare because I know it's heavy. But it's serious now. You gotta just hold it up a little.
Yeah.
So it's serious land flat. So.
Right. So you use the same technique. All right.
Charlie.